Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, October 27, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified when these videos come out, as well as the thumbs up, and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in Origin Protocol. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Straight into it. Certainly some signs of fear in the market. Why? Well, Bitcoin took a plunge this morning. 5% wasn't like killer, but seriously impacting the altcoin market. Why? Because retail gets the most scared and they leave the market first and in fast order. Money managers don't really care because they're kind of like the institutional side is managing other people's money, so they have a little more of a level head when they're looking at price action. So let that be known. In the meantime, Origin US dollar is at 76 cents. We still touch bottom right here. We touched bottom right around 74 cents. This was a dual action line of support. We have this giant triangle pattern happening since all the way back in March of this year. So that was one support line, which is the lower end of that triangle. Then we also have this other line of support going all the way back here, which was a line of support also going back to March. And to current right now. So you had two lines of support acting as a barrier, and it certainly worked out in the end. We're trying to stay above it right now. We're at 76 cents. But in the meantime, on the Origin Bitcoin pair, we were starting to come up nicely, and then bam, the whole episode with Bitcoin this morning. So we did hit the low at around 1260, popped slightly back over. We're at 1294 right now, a few percentage points over that long-term support line. And I'll zoom out for those that forget. This is going back all the way from March of 2021 as well. In the meantime, Bitcoin creating a little bit of fear in the market. We're at 59,000 right now. It's trying to settle around here. If this is a smaller term head and shoulders, it would kind of end right here, 58 and change. However, if it does break 58,000, it's possible that we could be getting a head and shoulders pattern that would resolve all the way down to the 54,000 area. So, keep your eye on this, but if it drops well below 58,000, you can expect a potential drop down to 54,000. In the meantime, and we brought this up on the last video as well, Bitcoin dominance, as you can see here, when Bitcoin started falling 5%, this Bitcoin dominance literally went from 44 all the way up to 45.5. It's a pretty ginormous jump. Basically saying that everyone was running for the hills in the altcoin market, much more so than the Bitcoin market. So just something to keep in mind here as you are looking ahead. But right now, I think we're pretty good over this green line. My view, not financial advice, but looking pretty healthy. Assuming Bitcoin can level off here and stay, over 58K. We'll see how things pan out. Keep in touch on Twitter. We'll catch up soon.